Hi friends, Namaste. Welcome to our channel. And then myself, Toreti Surya Sai Kalyan. And then friends, today we are discussing for the of the static part, one of the topic, the viewers and then our family subscribers. That means we are also a viewers and subscribers, Surya Technic family members. Okay, so that too. So some subscribers we have to in comment section the request on the for the brother we have to next video discuss on for the in awards. So now this specially we have some persons discuss on for the Arjuna awards. So now gather on for the important topics on for the Arjuna award. Now we have to discuss the Arjuna award. So this Arjuna award is the most important award for the in India, one of the famous sports award. So because of the in this award will gives for the sportsman, and then this award will gives for the sportsman is because of it will encourage and the all the sportsmen and then self motivate for the other sportsmen. So that too has the one of the famous award, and then is the most important award. In this award will give for the sportsman we have for the encourage, it means the excellence awards to take on for the in sports. Okay, in this so Arjuna award clear explanation I will use on for this video. So that means importance and then some disciplines and then whose persons we have to take in for this award on for the 2020, and then which date of the we have to start for Arjuna award in for the Indian government. So okay, now friends, so in this Arjuna award Indian government will start in the 1961. Okay, so 1961 on this date. So okay, on this year Indian government will have start on for the Arjuna award. Okay, Arjuna award, that means the famous sports persons. So okay, and which ministry we have to conduct on for these awards, that means the Ministry of the Youth Affairs and Sports. So okay, this ministry will conduct for the giving on the sportsman for the Arjuna awards. So okay, this Arjuna award is a one of the famous award in for the Indian government. So because of the sports is the all the people's one of the favorite, so that to encouraging there, and then all the examinations most important on for the SSC and then bank examinations. We have also covered for the UPSC also for relevant on for the all the competitive exams. So okay, now friends we have to important topics and the tips and the keywords on for the Arjuna award. So okay, name of the award is Arjuna award, and then field of the award is sports. Okay, field of the award is sports. Okay, we have to win for the sports, and then we have get you for the Arjuna award we can get a cash prize. That cash prize is 15 lakhs. Okay, the 15 lakhs of money. Okay, 15 lakhs of money will give to you. Okay, and then award symbol. So okay, in any of the award, and then one of the symbol we have to represent for that award. So okay, now in these Arjuna awards, award symbol is for the bronze statue of Arjuna with his bow and scroll. Okay, that means the bow and scroll of the Arjuna with his. Okay, on this the award symbol. Okay, and then associated ministry I have also tell you, associated ministry is the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Okay, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Okay, and then year of initialization. Okay, initiation is 1961. So okay, so most important, and then it is also a most important. Okay, now friends we have to discuss for the Arjuna award disciplines. That means the in this Arjuna awards we have to divide for the, we are also know for the two parties, that means the two categories. The first part is for the 16 types of sports activities, and then second part is the 16 types of the sports activities. So and then now we have to discuss for the first part, that means the in this first part, okay, in this first part these sports we have to take in for the first category, so Arjuna Award disciplines. And then first is for the archery. So okay, the first is for the archery, and then second is the athletics, and then third is for the badminton and ball badminton, and then fourth is for the basketball, and then fifth is for the billiards and snookers, and then sixth is for the boxing, seventh is for the carom, eighth is for the chess, and then ninth is for the cricket, 10th is for the cycling, and then 11th is equestrian, and then 12 is the football, 13 is the golf, and then 14 is the gymnastics, and then 15 is the hockey, and then 16 is the motorsports. Okay, these 16, so okay, these 16 are the first part, that means the part 1 of the Arjuna Awards. Okay, and then second part is for the, have to show that. And then now friends, we have to discuss for the second part. Okay, it means the second part. Okay, so okay, in this second part they're taken for the some sports activities on for these disciplines. Okay, the first is for the judo, and then second is for the kabaddi. One of the famous sports is for the kabaddi. Okay, and then third one is the mountaineering, and then fourth is for the roller skating, fifth is the rowing, sixth is for the polo, and then seventh is for the shooting, and then eighth is for the squash, and then ninth is swimming, 10th is table tennis, 11th is volleyball. So okay, these are for the special category. Okay, okay, swimming, table tennis, volleyball, and then weightlifting, 13 is the wrestling, 14 is for the wushu, and 15 is for the yachting, 16 is the bodybuilding. Okay, these 16 has the part 2. Okay, okay, on for the Arjuna Award disciplines. Okay, the first 16 and then second 16. So okay, total for the 10 plus 10 20, 16 plus, then 6 plus 6, మొత్తం total in the overall the 32. So okay, these were 32 sports we have to take in for the in Arjuna Award under. So okay, so total is for the 32. Okay, the total is for the 32 is taken for the under of the Arjuna Award disciplines. Friends, now we have to discuss for the 2020 winners, that means the Arjuna Award winners of the 2020. So okay, now the list of the Arjuna Award winners 2020, the categories Arjuna Awards. Okay, so that means category first is for the archery. We have now also for the part 1 or the part A. Arjuna Award is the Sri Atanu Das, and then athletics is the MS Ditu Chand, and then badminton have there for the 2 persons who are selected for the Arjuna Award. So one is for the Sri Setu Sai Raj Dhanki Reddy, and then second one is for the Sri Chirag Chandrasekhar Shetty, and then basketball category is selected for the Arjuna Award for Sri Vishesh Vigravanshi, and then in boxing is for the selected for the this person Subhendra Manish Kaushik, and then cricket, the India's famous sports is for the cricket. In this cricket category, Arjuna Award winners is for the Sri Ishant Sharma, and then second one is for the MS Deepti Sharma. These two are for the person who have the most famous cricketers, Ishant Sharma and Deepti Sharma. These two are persons we have to select for the Arjuna Award on for the 2020. Friends, now for the second list. Okay, first is for the football is in this football category. Sri Sandesh Jhingan selected for this Arjuna award. And then golf was category was selected for the MS Atithi Ashok was selected. And then hockey category, 2 persons were selected on for the Arjuna award. So first one is for the Sri Akash Deep Singh, and then second is for the MS Deepika, okay, is for the hockey category. And then Coco, okay, and then Coco is in this category. Sri Kali Sarika Sudhakar was selected on for the Archana award. And then rowing category, Sri Dattu Bodan Buchanan was selected. And then shooting category, and then shooting game category was selected for the Sri Saurabh Chowdhury was selected. And then in table tennis category, MS Madhurika Suhas Patkar was selected. And then in tennis category game, Sri Divij Sharan was selected. So okay, these 20 members, the total for these 20 members was selected for the in 2020 Arjuna award winners. So okay, in 2020 list, in this Arjuna award will give on for the start on for the 1961, okay, on this year to till now Indian government Ministry of the Youth Affairs and Sports gives on for the in sports category. These awards will give to you on for the winners. So okay, this is for the total list, that means the disciplines, and then important categories, and then parts, and then which category, and then which ministry, which time to start for the initialization of the Arjuna awards. We have also for the discuss on this video. I would like to share this information for you. So okay friends, do you like for this video and then my explanation? Please like, thumb up, and then share your friends, share के for दोस्तों के लिए. So okay, please share your those of friends. This is also for the static part on for the general awareness, and then current also. Okay, this is the most important on for the Arjuna award and for the all competitive examinations. Please to share for your friends, and then subscribe for this channel for the more updates, and then for notifications for this channel. Okay, so please to subscribe. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.